The next war may not begin with a missile. It may begin with an algorithm. As tensions rise between the United States and Iran, a new force is quietly entering the battlefield. Artificial intelligence. AI already detects threats faster than any human analyst. It processes satellite images in seconds. It predicts movements before commanders can react. It simulates outcomes before decisions are even made. In theory, this means speed, precision, efficiency, fewer mistakes. But what happens when machines begin making life and death decisions? AI doesn't hesitate. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't fear consequences. It doesn't question morality. In a high-speed conflict, there may be no pause button. If US-Iran tensions escalate, AI could coordinate drone swarms, guide missiles, intercept cyber attacks, and calculate retaliation in real time. Milliseconds could determine escalation. Algorithms could decide targets. And once autonomous systems begin acting, stopping them may not be simple. The more control we give to machines, the less control we may truly have. The battlefield of the future may not be defined by soldiers or generals. It may be defined by code. And when war becomes optimized, who is responsible for what happens next? Can humans still pull the plug? Or will we simply watch as the algorithm decides? AI is not a future weapon. It is already being used. Autonomous drones, predictive targeting systems, real-time battlefield analysis. Governments are integrating machine learning into defense strategies, not to replace humans, but to assist them, at least for now. Now imagine a direct confrontation. Two nations, high tension, rapid decisions, and AI systems processing thousands of variables per second. Faster than any human commander, faster than diplomacy. What happens if both sides deploy autonomous systems at scale? Does escalation become automatic? Does retaliation become algorithmic? There is a concept in AI called the control problem. Once a system becomes sufficiently autonomous, containing it becomes harder. Not because it is evil, but because it is optimized. It follows objectives. Without emotion, without hesitation, without political hesitation. If the objective is efficiency, what gets sacrificed? Human judgment, moral restraint, time to reconsider. AI could change the balance of power. Smaller nations could gain asymmetric advantages. Cyber warfare could intensify. Decision cycles could shrink from hours to seconds. And in a conflict between major powers, seconds matter. One miscalculation, one false signal, one automated response, and history changes. The question is no longer whether AI will be used in war. It already is. The real question is, who truly controls the machine? And if a conflict spirals beyond human pace, will leaders still be making the decisions? Or will we be watching as code writes the next chapter of war? Modern warfare is no longer only about firepower. It is about reaction speed, about data, about prediction. In a high-stakes confrontation between the United States and Iran, algorithms could analyze threats faster than diplomats can negotiate. Systems could recommend strikes before leaders finish a briefing. And once decisions move at machine speed, de-escalation becomes harder. Because hesitation is human, and machines do not hesitate. If artificial intelligence shortens the gap between detection and retaliation, conflict may no longer unfold in hours. It may unfold in seconds. And in those seconds, there may be no room for doubt, no room for reconsideration, no room for human pause.